Ah, spider web in the face. The old school monkey bars. Wow. Old school right here. You don't see monkey bars like this. No. Come on, Basenji. Come here, buddy. Come on, Zulu. There we go. Come on, Zulu. Come on, Zulu. Come. Come on.
You gonna get her?
Yeah. Come on. I got you, baby. Yeah. There you go. Come on, Basenji. Come on, buddy. There you go. Good boy.
This one good, Mama. Look at you. Look at you, little girl. You're a natural.
That thing's terrifying. Like, look how sharp it is.
Yeah.
As a kid, you'd be like, that is a scary looking
You have
slide.
to be little.
Even if you were, I mean, it looks like it flips you around. There, okay? All right, ready, go. Go. You got it.
Wow.
There you go. Oh my
Wow.
goodness, man, there's no way.
We're in a fort. Keep driving the train.
The barn on the Gustavino barn site. What do you see in there, girlie? What? What do you see? Come on. There's no camp area designated.
Oh, that's pretty. What's that going on with you?
Yep, these are all.
It is deep. Look at this, guys. Another tree of life.
That is a dawn redwood tree. Nice. So here we have an eastern hemlock. And we're gonna back up so we can see it all. Come on, girlie, back up. That is a big old tree, a hemlock. Come on, Julie.
You see a rooster? You see him, Ginger?
Oop. They want to see you too, Zulu. Look. Yeah, they're like, what are you? What are you? Gentle. Yeah. Let's go catch Mama. The wine cellar, built into the side of the hill. That is amazing. Let's see what's inside. Neighbor Prima Virtus, wine cellar built in 1894. Wow. Whoa. I don't know if we can get focus on it. Wow, that's cool. Well, now that the adventure's over, we're back at the cabin. Ginger Ray is enjoying some dinner, and we're gonna chill. Thanks for coming along with us on our exploration today. If you haven't subscribed yet, we invite you to do so. And please ring the bell so you won't miss out on our next adventure. Man, Zinja, it looks like you're really enjoying that. Slow down, boy. Gotta have that food.